Here we have a quick look at the calendar function in Collaborate Online. Here I've navigated to my Marham Airport job and I'm going to click on the Calendar tab just at the top of the screen. Here I can see details of any events or appointments that I've already entered into the calendar. Those are shown in blue, and to-do list items, which are effectively just events that have been assigned to a person, are shown in red. Also, the events for this job are shown in the events list, which is shown a little bit further down the page. Now, to add a new event to the calendar, simply click on the plus next to the calendar view menu, and you can pick from a useful list of common events. I'm going to say we're having a meeting, and we could say that that one is a project review, let's say. I'm going to set the date for that for just before the end of the month, let's say about the 25th, and I can even specify a time. I'll say we'll set that for a 2 p.m. meeting. Now, interestingly, I can also start to notify team members about this meeting, so I can send an email to Colin, or the system will send an email to Colin, to Jane, to Bill, and in fact to John. If there were an awful lot of people, or if I wanted to invite everyone, just clicking here would send everyone notification that that meeting is about to take place. Clicking submit will record that event into the calendar. Here we can see the meeting shown on the 25th of the month. It's easy to navigate around the calendar. You can use the forwards arrows here to move forward a month at a time, or the backwards arrows to move backwards. And of course, if you use the calendar in the lower left hand side, you can navigate to any particular day and you could edit an event there. We've got an event marked here. We've also got a to-do list item shown here. One thing you should remember is that each folder has its own calendar. So if we navigate to the data center job and click on the calendar there, we'll see a different content to the one we saw when we looked at the airport job. The home page is the only time that all of the calendar entries are consolidated to represent one entire company-wide project calendar for all of the projects that you're entitled to view. And the export button in the bottom left hand corner will export your calendar contents to your Outlook, Google or similar calendars.